Welcome to another exploration of the Bible, focusing today on the Gospel of John, chapters 5 through 8. These chapters are a treasure trove of teachings and tales that encapsulate the depth of Jesus' work and wisdom. In chapter 5, Jesus heals a man at the pool of Bethesda, showcasing his power and compassion. This miracle leads to a confrontation with the Jewish authorities, since it happens on the Sabbath. Jesus explains in John 5:17, "My Father is working until now, and I am working," highlighting his divine authority and deep connection with God. Moving into chapter 6, we witness two of Jesus' most famous miracles, feeding the 5,000 and walking on water. The multiplication of loaves and fishes signifies Jesus as the bread of life, nourishing both physically and spiritually. In John 6:35, he declares, "I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me shall not hunger," underscoring the spiritual fulfillment found in him. Chapter 7 shifts to the Feast of Tabernacles, where Jesus teaches at the temple. His words evoke a mixed reaction, leading to debates about his identity. This chapter emphasizes the themes of truth and belief, focusing on the living water he promises in John 7:37-38. "If anyone thirsts, let him come to me and drink." Finally, chapter 8 is a compelling narrative revolving around themes of forgiveness and light. Here we find the story of the woman caught in adultery, where Jesus famously says in John 8:7, "Let him who is without sin among you be the first to throw a stone at her." This moment demonstrates his mercy and profound understanding of human nature. Later, Jesus proclaims, "I am the light of the world," in John 8:12, reaffirming his role as a guide and beacon of truth. Together, these chapters invite us to see Jesus as a healer, provider, source of living water, and light of the world, offering us a path to understanding and redemption. Stay with us as we explore these divine teachings, drawing connections that inspire and enlighten.